Okay, thanks for coming to this page. Give me about 1 to 3 minutes and I'm gonna explain how this works. I hope I didn't sound too cocky in that commercial you saw and clicked on about this person who's spending 120 grand for a digital marketing degree. I'm not saying you should never go to college. I'm just saying common sense is no longer common. You don't need 4 years to get a digital marketing degree, 2 years of them just for, general ed classes. You definitely don't need to spend $120,000, but that's the world we live in. It's getting crazier by the moment. $1.2 trillion in college debt. So I have an alternative for you. You can still go to college if you want, but why not learn from people who have actually done it? Below, you will see the beginning of a new membership for you, kind of like Netflix, except it's not just entertainment. It has potential to change your life, to change your career, to change your income. And that is learning practical skills that they should have taught you in school for the cost of Netflix that you won't have to get in debt for. Give us 10 minutes a day, and we'll start training you in a wide variety of subjects. Now, so there's a free trial below, or a $1 trial it might be, and then it renews. If you choose to stay past the trial, it's $7 a month. That's it. All the courses you want. We release a new mini certification every single week in different subjects. So we have digital marketing, and we have entrepreneurship, and we're adding ones on accounting and raising capital with Kickstarter, and we're doing ones on public speaking, on social media. As I said, me and my business partner have generated over $1 billion with digital sales. He just sold his company Zeus for $300 million. It closed last week. So we've raised capital. Combined, we've raised about $100 million. Between the two of us, we'll have many certifications on how to raise capital. We'll have many certifications on Facebook ads, Google ads. We have many certifications on Instagram marketing. All those things that, although they may teach them in school, you have to question, do you want to learn that from a professor who's never done it themselves and probably doesn't even have an Instagram? See, you got to use your brain. It's okay to go to college, but for certain subjects, like if I wanted to learn a sport, or I do jujitsu, I don't get a 4-year degree in jujitsu for 120 grand from UCLA or NYU. I just go to practitioners that have black belts. Like my teacher is Higan Machado, and I trained with Henrik Gracie. They just did it. They don't have a paper degree. They have the real skill. So if you want to learn from entrepreneurs and other experts who have not pieces of paper that they're going to give you, we give you a digital mini certification that just shows you, you can track your progress. But try the digital marketing certification, 1 day mini certification. Then we have longer ones if you want. And then if you like it, you can do 4 more this month or more. So it's cheap. We have 100% money back guarantee. Go through it. You can keep the mini certification. If it doesn't work for you, we'll cancel it and refund you all your money, and you can keep the mini certification. You learn everything for free on our dollar, okay? We believe in this. We're bringing in the best mentors, the best teachers that we know who have actually done it. The more you learn, the more you earn, as Warren Buffett said. So invest in your own brain. It's less than Netflix. I tell people, never get in a place where your education budget is lower than your entertainment budget. $7 won't even get you a movie, and a movie has no long-term potential. Netflix is great, it's fun, I use it. HBO Go, Game of Thrones. But I'll tell you what, it hasn't changed my life. It's changed the producer of those movies' lives, made them multi-millionaires. It's changed the lives of the actors, hasn't changed my life. But there is a value in entertainment, but it hasn't changed my life. Do things that change your life. That's what I'll tell you. Do things that fix your bank balance, that fix your career, and the best way to do that is learn from mentors that have done it before. Oops, I went over my 3 minutes, so I'll stop. Click the link below, create your account. We won't spam you. We'll give you your money back if you don't like it. You're gonna be in here, and I ask one and only one thing from you. When you start to get some success from what you learn from us, send me an email at ty@knowledgesociety.com. I love hearing testimonials every day of how this system, this new way, this new revolution in education that doesn't cost you $100,000 in 4 years of your life, that you can do from anywhere, that you can do from any country, you can do while you travel, you can do on the way to work, video and audio courses. Give us 10 minutes a day to train you in a PhD, not a real PhD from college, but the PhD of life, the PhD of actual, you got to be book smart and street smart. And we hope to bring both of those to you. the actual learning, which is the book smart, but then learning from people who have actually done it in the trenches. That's the street smart part. So yeah, see you inside.